Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we learned present indefinite tense with affirmative sentences. Today, we will learn interrogative sentences and negative sentences of present indefinite tense. Interrogative sentences. We use interrogative sentences to ask questions, get information, and confirm habits or daily actions. Structure: do or does plus subject plus verb's first form and question mark. Remember, we use do with group number 1, I, you, we, they and plural subjects. We use does with group number 2, that is he, she, it and singular subjects. Now we are aware that we use does with he, she, it and singular subject. There's a rule that needs to be followed. Do not use s or es with the main verb. Why? Because does itself already shows present tense, third person singular. Examples: do you play cricket? Do they like coffee? Does he go to school daily? Does she teach English? Negative sentences. We use negative sentences to say no, deny an action, show something does not happen. Structure: subject plus do not or does not plus verb's first form. Remember, we use do not or don't with group number 1, I, you, we, they and plural subjects. And we use does not or doesn't with group number 2, he, she, it and singular subjects. Examples: John and Sarah do not wake up early. Alex does not eat spicy food. Some more examples: he doesn't like loud music. I don't like coffee. We don't watch TV at night. It doesn't work properly. They don't use mobile phones in class. Let's have a quick comparison. Affirmative sentence: she plays guitar. Negative sentence: she doesn't play guitar. Interrogative sentence: does she play guitar? Practice time. They dash pay tax after the due date. The court dash accept incomplete documents. The principal dash permit late entry. This is it for today. Keep practicing, keep going and growing.